the legend goes electric. After 70 years of conquering the world's toughest terrain with bulletproof reliability, Toyota is revolutionizing the Land Cruiser. This is the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser EV, and it's about to change everything we know about electric SUVs. Welcome back to Wheels of Luxury. Today we're revealing one of the most anticipated electric vehicles in automotive history. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 combines the legendary off-road capability and indestructible reliability that made Land Cruiser a global icon with cutting-edge electric technology. This isn't just another electric SUV. This is Toyota proving that electric vehicles can go anywhere, do anything, and last forever. Let's start with what makes the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 so special. This is built on Toyota's dedicated electric vehicle platform designed specifically for body-on-frame SUVs. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 maintains the traditional Land Cruiser rugged construction with a modern electric powertrain. Toyota didn't just drop batteries into an existing Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 was engineered from the ground up as an electric adventure vehicle. The powertrain in the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is revolutionary. Toyota has developed a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, producing approximately 400 horsepower and an incredible 500 pound-feet of torque. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 delivers instant electric torque to all four wheels, providing unmatched off-road capability. Unlike traditional Land Cruisers that need to build RPM for power, the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 delivers maximum torque from zero, making it unstoppable in challenging terrain. The battery system in the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is massive yet intelligently packaged. Toyota has integrated approximately 100 to 120 kilowatt-hours of battery capacity into a protected enclosure within the frame. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 battery pack is armored against rocks, water, and impacts. Toyota designed the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 battery placement to maintain optimal ground clearance and approach angles while providing protection during serious off-roading. In off-road situations, the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 range might decrease to 200 to 250 miles depending on terrain difficulty. But here's what's brilliant. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 supports fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, adding 200 miles of range in approximately 30 minutes. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 can also charge using standard 240-volt outlets, though that takes several hours for a full charge. The design of the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is unmistakably Land Cruiser. Toyota kept the iconic boxy proportions, upright stance, and commanding presence. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 features a bold front grille design with distinctive LED lighting that immediately identifies this as a Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 maintains short overhangs for excellent approach and departure angles, critical for off-road capability. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 rides on aggressive all-terrain tires mounted on rugged wheels designed to handle punishment. Ground clearance on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 exceeds 9 inches, with adjustable air suspension capable of raising the vehicle an additional 2 inches for extreme obstacles. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 can also lower itself for easier entry and highway efficiency. Inside, the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 combines traditional Land Cruiser toughness with modern luxury. Durable materials throughout can withstand mud, dirt, and abuse while remaining premium. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Toyota's latest interface. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 includes 3 rows of seating accommodating up to 7 passengers with generous cargo space. Technology in the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is comprehensive. Multiple terrain modes optimize power delivery for sand, mud, rocks, and snow. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 features crawl control that automatically manages throttle and braking for technical off-road sections. Multi-terrain select on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 adjusts traction control for different surfaces. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 includes downhill assist control, hill start assist, and sophisticated four-wheel drive management. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 features 360-degree cameras with off-road view that shows what's directly in front of and beneath the vehicle. This helps drivers navigate obstacles without a spotter. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 includes transparent hood view that virtually shows the ground ahead. These technologies on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 make off-roading safer and more accessible. Towing capacity on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is impressive for an electric vehicle, rated around 7,000 to 8,000 pounds. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 Instant Torque makes towing effortless. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 includes trailer sway control, integrated trailer brake controller, and towing modes that adjust power delivery and regenerative braking for safe hauling. Charging infrastructure matters for adventure vehicles, and the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 addresses this cleverly. Toyota is developing a portable solar charging system for the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 that can add emergency range in remote locations. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 can also function as a mobile power station, providing 240-volt AC power for camping equipment, tools, or emergency backup power. Durability is legendary on traditional Land Cruisers, and Toyota promises the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 maintains this reputation. The electric motors in the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 have fewer moving parts than combustion engines, reducing maintenance needs. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 battery comes with Toyota's comprehensive warranty covering at least 10 years or 150,000 miles. Toyota designed the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 to last decades with minimal maintenance. Off-road capability is where the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 truly shines. Electric motors provide precise torque control to each wheel independently. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 can crawl over obstacles at incredibly slow speeds with perfect control. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 eliminates concerns about stalling the engine on steep climbs. Water fording depth on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is substantial, with sealed battery and electrical systems protected against submersion. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 maintains Land Cruiser's global mission capability. Toyota designed the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 for deployment in remote regions, humanitarian missions, and extreme environments. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 simplicity and reduced maintenance make it ideal for locations far from service centers. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 proves electric vehicles can be as reliable and capable as the combustion Land Cruisers used by aid organizations and expeditions worldwide. Pricing for the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is expected to start around $70,000 to $75,000 for base models. Launch timing for the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is projected for late 2025 or early 2026, with global availability following shortly after initial markets. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 will likely debut in North America, Middle East, Australia, and select Asian markets first, expanding to other regions as production ramps up. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 represents Toyota's commitment to electrification without compromising capability. Traditional Land Cruiser customers worried about electric vehicles need not be concerned. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 maintains everything that made Land Cruiser legendary while adding benefits of electric power. Instant torque, silent operation, lower maintenance, and zero emissions combine with proven Land Cruiser toughness. So there you have it. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026. This electric legend combines 70 years of Land Cruiser heritage with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. The Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 proves electric vehicles can be tough, capable, and ready for anything. With 400 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, 300 miles of range, and legendary Land Cruiser reliability, the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is ready to conquer the world electrically. What do you think of the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026? Are you excited to see the Land Cruiser go electric? Would you trust an electric Land Cruiser for serious off-roading and adventures? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026. If you enjoyed this first look at the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026, smash that like button, subscribe to Wheels of Luxury, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with Land Cruiser fans and electric vehicle enthusiasts. Until next time, the legend continues, now electrically. This is Wheels of Luxury, and the Toyota Land Cruiser EV 2026 is proof that the future of adventure is electric.